I once spent an entire Saturday scrubbing spilled coffee out of my car's floor mats with a cheap brush, only to watch the stain resurface 3 days later. The problem with finding the right automotive carpet shampooer is that the market is flooded with underpowered machines that only clean the surface, leaving deep-seated dirt and odors untouched. In this video, I will break down the top options to actually save your vehicle's interior. Stick around, because my number one pick completely transformed how I detail my cars and saved me from expensive professional detailing bill. Seven, Vacmaster SCA0801. Unboxing it, the blue casing and dual tank setup looked promising enough for small jobs, and it felt remarkably lightweight at just under 10 pounds. I decided to test it on a set of heavily soiled car floor mats that had seen months of winter salt and mud. The inclusion of two distinct tools, a wide path tool and a tough stain tool, seemed like a thoughtful touch to cover both broad carpet areas and the narrow crevices between car seats. Setting up the machine was relatively straightforward, and I appreciated that the clean water tank and dirty water tank were entirely separate, a basic requirement for any decent extractor. I filled it up with the provided cleaning solution and began working on the passenger side mat. Initially, the spray pattern was decent, covering the area evenly, and the scrub brush on the wide path tool agitated the surface dirt reasonably well. For very fresh, superficial spills like a drop cup of water or a recent drip of coffee, the Vacmaster managed to lift the moisture without too much trouble. However, my experience quickly soured when trying to tackle the deeply embedded stains that automotive carpets are famous for. The 17,000 Pascal suction simply lacks the raw lifting power needed to pull liquid from the thick, dense pile of a vehicle's interior. I found myself repeatedly passing over the same heavily saturated spots, pressing down with immense force, but the carpet remained stubbornly damp to the touch. This lack of deep extraction means that dirty water is inevitably left behind, which eventually dries into a crusty, discolored ring, completely defeating the purpose of shampooing in the first place. To make matters worse, the overall build quality of the Vacmaster feels alarmingly flimsy and cheap. Six, McCulloch MC1385. This unit is an absolute behemoth, looking more like a small shop vacuum than a carpet cleaner, and it boasts an impressive 64-ounce boiler tank designed to deliver up to 2 hours of continuous steam. I lugged this massive machine out to my driveway, hoping the high-pressure 58 psi steam would melt away the heavy grease and ground-in dirt on my SUV's floorboards without the need for harsh chemical shampoos. The sheer volume of accessories included with the MC1385 is staggering, featuring over 20 different attachments ranging from nylon utility brushes to a large mop head. For detailing my car, I primarily focused on the triangular brush and the jet nozzle to blast steam into the tight tracks of the front seats. The heat-up time is a rather lengthy 12 minutes, but once it reaches optimal temperature, the variable steam control dial allows you to unleash a genuinely impressive cloud of vapor. It definitely excels at breaking down sticky residues and sanitizing hard plastics on the dashboard and center console. Unfortunately, when it comes to the core task of shampooing and revitalizing automotive carpets, the McCulloch MC1385 is fundamentally the wrong tool for the job. Because this is purely a steam cleaner and not an extractor, it possesses absolutely zero suction capabilities. I spent 20 minutes blasting a stubborn salt stain with pressurized steam, effectively dissolving the grime, but I was left with a soaking wet, muddy puddle that had nowhere to go. You are forced to aggressively scrub the steaming mess with a separate microfiber towel, manually absorbing the dirty moisture before it sinks deeper into the floorboard padding. Furthermore, the sheer bulk of this canister unit makes it incredibly cumbersome to navigate around a vehicle. 5. Hoover Spotless. Right out of the box, this unit stands out for its incredibly slender, vertical design, which is a massive departure from the bulky, horizontal footprints of most spot cleaners. I found this tall and narrow profile to be absolutely brilliant for automotive use, as it easily slid perfectly into the footwell of the back seat, allowing me to work inside the car with the doors closed on a chilly afternoon. The 15-foot power cord and 5-foot hose provide ample reach without feeling completely tethered to the garage wall. One of the most innovative features I tested on the Hoover Spotless is its self-cleaning hose mechanism. Anyone who has used a carpet cleaner knows the disgusting buildup of dirty water and pet hair that accumulates inside the corrugated hose, which eventually starts to smell terrible. Hoover solved this by adding a dedicated port on the back of the machine. You simply plug the hose tool into the port, turn the unit on, and it aggressively flushes clean water through the entire length of the hose, scrubbing the interior walls. It is a fantastic quality of life feature that ensures the machine stays fresh in storage. During my stain testing, I applied the included cleaning solution to a heavily soiled section of my trunk carpet where groceries had leaked. The antimicrobial multi-purpose tool features stiff rubber nubs rather than traditional nylon bristles, which I found surprisingly effective at agitating the carpet fibers without causing them to fray or pill. The suction power is noticeably better than the entry-level options, successfully pulling up the majority of the dirty foam and leaving the trunk liner only slightly damp. The dual tanks are also incredibly easy to detach, fill, and empty without spilling contaminated water everywhere. 4. Shark StainStriker Portable. Unlike most extractors that rely on a single tank of pre-mixed solution, the StainStriker utilizes two separate chambers, one for a deep cleaning formula and another for an OXY multiplier. I was eager to see if this dual activation setup actually made a tangible difference on the deeply embedded grime in my daily driver. The machine itself is remarkably compact, featuring a sleek, modern design that is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry out to the driveway. The moment I triggered the spray nozzle on a massive coffee stain, the two proprietary formulas mixed on contact, instantly creating a highly active, bubbling foam that visibly began breaking down the discoloration before I even started scrubbing. This chemical reaction is not just a gimmick. It genuinely lifts stubborn, set-in stains faster than any single bottle solution I have tested. The included hand tool is ergonomically designed, featuring a tough bristle brush that feels highly durable and allows you to apply intense downward pressure without the tool flexing or feeling like it might snap in half. The suction power on the Shark StainStriker is surprisingly fierce for such a compact unit. As I dragged the extraction nozzle slowly backwards across the wet carpet, I could see a thick stream of dark, muddy water being violently pulled through the clear plastic window of the tool. It leaves the Automotive upholstery noticeably drier than many of its competitors, significantly reducing the agonizing wait time before you can safely sit in your car again. I also thoroughly appreciated the crevice tool attachment, which allowed me to suck up spilled soda from the impossibly tight gap between the center console and the driver's seat. The main limitation of the StainStriker is that you are somewhat locked into purchasing Shark's specific dual formula system to maximize its performance. 3. Bissell Little Green. The original Little Green has been a staple in automotive detailing for years, but the addition of hydro steam technology completely redefines what this portable machine can accomplish. I decided to test this on a set of light gray cloth seats that were heavily water-stained and discolored from years of sweaty gym clothes and spilled drinks. The machine feels incredibly robust, featuring a low center of gravity that prevents it from tipping over when you inevitably yank on the hose from outside the car. The hydro steam functionality is an absolute game changer for automotive upholstery. By combining hot steam vapor with the traditional liquid spray and suction, the machine attacks sticky, oily residues that normal extractors simply smear around. I used the steam wash mode on the heavily soiled seat bolsters, and the hot vapor instantly relaxed the fabric fibers, allowing the OXY cleaning formula to penetrate deeply and break the bond of the grease. Watching years of embedded grime literally melt away and get violently sucked into the transparent extraction nozzle is an incredibly satisfying experience. The capacity of the little green hydro steam is excellent, boasting a massive 64-ounce clean water tank that allowed me to shampoo the entire front row of my vehicle without needing a single refill break. The suction is incredibly powerful, effectively pulling the hot moisture out of the thick seat cushions so thoroughly that they were dry to the touch in less than 30 minutes. The inclusion of the 5-inch tough stain tool covers a massive amount of surface area quickly, while the long power cord ensures you can easily navigate around all 4 doors of a large truck or SUV. Two, Hoover FH14000V. I brought this unit into my testing lineup because automotive carpets frequently fall victim to the absolute worst messes imaginable, from muddy dog paws to accidental pet sickness on long road trips. The clean slate immediately impressed me with its rugged, no-nonsense build quality and an array of highly specialized tools that feel tailor-made for the complex geometry of a car's interior. It is slightly larger than a basic spot cleaner, but the performance it delivers completely justifies its footprint in your garage. The standout feature of the clean slate is undeniably the massive 7-inch wide path tool. When I was tackling the expansive, flat cargo area of my SUV, this oversized attachment was an absolute revelation. It covers nearly double the surface area of a standard extraction nozzle, allowing me to shampoo the entire trunk in half the time it normally takes. The suction is incredibly potent, ripping the dirty soapy water out of the dense carpet pile with aggressive force. For the tighter areas, I swapped to the tight spot tool, which easily slipped down into the door pockets and under the pedal cluster. Another massive advantage of the clean slate is the massive 40-ounce dual tank system. I found that I could aggressively spray down heavy concentrations of cleaning solution on the worst stains without constantly worrying about running the clean tank dry. The extraction window on the tools is completely removable, which is a brilliant design choice. After sucking up particularly nasty, muddy messes, you can simply unclip the clear plastic cover and rinse it out in the sink, preventing dry dirt from permanently clogging the suction pathway. It is a small detail that makes long-term maintenance incredibly easy. The Hoover Clean Slate is a powerhouse of extraction, offering professional-level suction and incredible versatility through its well-designed tool set. One, Bissell 3624. From the moment I unboxed this machine, I knew it was in a completely different league. It abandons the gimmicks and cute designs of cheaper models in favor of a sleek, purely functional, professional-grade aesthetic. I put this machine through the ultimate test, restoring the ruined, deeply stained, and terrible-smelling floor mats of a neglected 15-year-old used car I recently purchased. The results were nothing short of miraculous. The Spot Clean Professional is powered by a massive motor that generates suction levels I have only previously experienced with commercial, thousands of dollar detailing rigs. As I made my first pass over the black, tar-like stains on the driver's side mat, the Bissell didn't just clean the surface, it aggressively extracted a thick, dark slurry of mud and oil from the very bottom of the carpet padding. The sheer vacuuming force leaves the upholstery feeling barely damp, accelerating the drying process dramatically and completely preventing the musty, mildew odors that occur when carpets are left wet for too long. The design of the machine is heavily optimized for serious detailing work. It features a massive 96-ounce capacity tank, which is phenomenally large for a portable unit, allowing you to detail the carpets and seats of an entire 3-row minivan in a single, uninterrupted session. The incredibly long 22-foot power cord means I never had to hunt for an extension cord, and the highly flexible hose maneuvers perfectly around steering wheels and center consoles. The included 6-inch stair tool is the absolute perfect size for scrubbing automotive seats, providing a wide, even extraction path